How to remove a red wine stain from virtually anything. So sometimes you and Bae may be having naughty boom boom time with a glass of wine. And depending on how freaky it gets, you might spill wine everywhere. First rule of getting out a stain is you need to start attacking it right away. Do not leave it till the morning. I don't care if you are mid-fellatio. You get on that stain right now. Oh yeah. Oh my god, baby. Oh, the wine. No, we have to stop right now. I stained my favorite white t-shirt. First thing we need to do is lay down a dry substance like table salt or baking soda. Edward, I said later, we have to attack this stain. Cover it nice. You want to let the salt sit for a couple of minutes. Club soda, white vinegar, and then you want to blot the stain. And as you can see, that did nothing. Last resort is a 3-to-1 ratio of hydrogen peroxide and dish soap. Pour this on, let that sit for a couple minutes, dab it out. Stain is gone. I'm about to change my name to dry cleaning chemistry because I'm teaching y'all